Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. I pay the cost. Ooh, gon' take it all.
This is something
Caught in a
cool.
fall.
Oh,
I know what I
You the one I put down, I lay down on you, 'cause I'll hold you down.
how rude am I? How rude am I to be eating in front of you all? Well, I'm hungry, so before I go to film this video, or while I'm filming this video, I'm gonna eat me some oatmeal. Act like y'all ain't never seen nobody eat before. You do now. How has everyone's 2018 been? Leave a comment down below and tell me how your 2018's been. In the meanwhile, let me finish eating this. I'm gonna drink some of my...
for the man, then to work with me, just so they can pretend they on my level. That shit is irking to me. Pride always going before the fall, almost certainly. It's more than what I gross. Survey says you're not even close. Everybody's bosses to the top and pay for the office, to the man voices separate.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dominique Monroe, and thanks for tuning in. Today's video is Boxyluxe. So your girl went ahead and got the Boxyluxe. So they do this like every 3 months. They send you like this huge package of more stuff. And I'm so freaking excited to open this. You have no idea. None. Okay. I got it yesterday, but I was like, I can't open it until I do it on camera because I need everybody to see how excited it is to see what's in here. Okay. So here it is. It's closed. See, I didn't open it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stop it. Wig on today just to do this video because my hair is not done. I'm going without heat on my natural hair for about 6 months. So your girl's about to be switching up her hairstyles until then. And then I'm going to go back and like make sure my hair is good and all the other good stuff. But I got another wig coming in the mail today, so I didn't want to like secure this wig. I had to wait for the new one, so I just put this on, threw this bandana on. Now this mug is got hairs everywhere. So okay, you guys excited? Are you guys excited like I am? All right, let's go. We're doing this together. 1, 2, 3. What's up? What's in here? Oh. Oh, wow. I'm so excited, y'all. Sorry. So, got this. And in this, it tells you everything that you get. So, the name of this one is, It's the Sea Sun. It's the Sea Sun. Now, a lot of people have been commenting on their page about why they're giving us beach things this Christmas, but let them do them. I'm for it. So, we have a rose gold complete face brush set. Where that at? Where that at? There she is. You guys, Luxie. I love their brushes, and I'm kind of mad that I already got some of these. Or do I? Hold up, y'all. Okay. Back to this. Luxie Complete Face Set. Has everything you need in here to complete a whole face look. From all kind of brushes, okay? I'm not gonna go through all the brushes with you, but you know what's in here. If you got the Boxyluxe December edition, okay? I'm super excited. Yay. Okay. So then, you ain't have to fall like that. Let's see. We're gonna go to this. What is this? Body Wash Infused Buffer. That's that. I just want to open this right quick. Oh, it's a little store. It's a store for a store. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to try that. It's got a strong smell to it. All-in-one beauty treatment. Bow. Let's see what else we got in here. PYT, it's a girl's world. I think, oh, these are the straighteners, guys. Now, let me go back, right? So, let's rewind a little bit. So, the Boxyluxe box is $21 plus 28 extra dollars, right? So, that's what, $49 for it? Now, the Luxie brush set, why do I can't talk? The face set alone is $65. So just this alone covers your box. Like, you're getting so much stuff for free. Now, this mini hair straightener is $75. Like, bruh. You know, I like getting my money's worth. Let's open this. Oh, it's so cute. It's got this little case. And mine is yellow. I so hate the color yellow, but I love this. This is so cute. Thank you. Okay. A little on the go. That, I told you, right? It's $75. Listen. Boxyluxe, BoxyCharm. Y'all was smart. Okay? Y'all smart. Now, what else do we got? Oh, stop playing with your girl. Okay, so we got this Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, which is this. Ooh. In the color Strike Gold. Let's open this and see. Because I don't know if I'm about to get the way my lips set up. This is cute. I might put this on my eye. Ooh. That's pretty. It's $20. $20 for this. Now I got the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Yay. This is $24. Boom. Bomb. Bam. This box is amazing. Now, let me just... Elmis. Boop. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream. Ooh. Anti-aging. I'm all for it. This is pretty. Ooh, shit. It's a day cream, so like I'm gonna put this on like before I put my makeup on, right? It's pretty. This retails for $89. Who? Thank you. All this for $49? I call that a lick. Hit a lick. Okay, so we got this Glam AF bag, which is so adorable. And listen, y'all, this mug say it's got a portable charger in this. This retails for $22. Let's see. Ooh. This is dope. Oh, this is so dope. Y'all. Stop playing. Phone never gonna be on E. Nah. This cute. Hold on, Chief. That ain't what this is. Oh. Hold on, Chief. I thought this said iPhone 2. Oh. Is this iPhone? Where's my phone? Where my phone at? Where my phone at? That ain't it. This don't go for no iPhone. Oh, goddamn. This ain't gonna work for me. How am I supposed to charge my phone, B? I'm gonna have to do this off camera because I'm getting kind of sad. I don't know how to together because this definitely ain't it. Because I know you can't put this in there. Oh. Oh, I found it. We found it. I had to just snap that pic real quick. Okay. Of course, we got a palette. What a BoxyCharm box would be without a palette? None. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time today. This is pretty though. Wonder Beauty Wonderness, Dust Till Dawn. And you know, they be good with this because it got the mirror. This is pretty. Very simple. Very simple. Ooh. Bomb. This retails for, oh, this is a highlight palette, by the way, y'all. $26. This box is dope. Look at what was in the bottom. Look at what was in the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we here. Well, I got the hiccups. Pro HG palette. Violet Boss. Listen, $45 for this. So if you add $4 more, you got this and some chapstick. Boom. Bam. Thank you. BoxyCharm. Boxyluxe. Now let's, I'm sorry. Okay. Come through packaging. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Oh, you can see yourself. Look at the camera. Say cheese. Look at Marlon. Say cheese. Look at this. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to do my makeup tomorrow. I might even do it tonight. It's so pretty. You know what? I can't wait. I can't wait. Like, dope. I love it. I love it. I love it. This month, I'm so glad I got you guys box because I would have been salty if I would have seen all these reviews and I didn't get in on the action. So, you got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. Retailing for over, I ain't finna add this up right now, but I know it's up a couple $100. Couple $100 for $49. We in the money. This is dope. I'm thank you. So that is all in our BoxyCharm Boxyluxe opening, box opening edition. I am really excited for all this new I got. And I feel like a kid in a candy store, except for his makeup. So, tell me what you got in your box. Hit a girl up. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment to this video. Make sure you also hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any more videos. And come back because I'm gonna shoot me getting ready with this stuff. Y'all have a good day. And I'm out.